Since the beginning of civilization, everyone has accepted the truth that 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. But have we ever questioned why is 1 plus 1 equal to 2? Let's talk about it. 1. You cannot touch a 1. You cannot hear a 1. You cannot observe a 1 in the wild. 1 is not an object. 1 is an idea. That's supposed to be a brain, by the way. It is an idea that came from the brain. 0 is equal to a closed bracket parameter because 0 is nothing. 0 is not a number. In mathematics, the number 0 is defined by the set containing nothing. There is nothing, so therefore it is a 0. Here's some wisdom. The number 1, closed bracket, which is nothing, contains something inside nothing. Some more wisdom. Addition means combining distinct elements into a larger system. These sets are identical, but they are not the same instance, like twins. For example, we have parameter 1, parameter 2, but they are all 1. So this would equivalent to 1 plus 1. But this is 1 inside the closed bracket, but this would represent 2 inside the closed bracket. They're identical, but not the same. Example, if I have a box and I put one object inside that box, and then I put another object inside that box, I do not create one larger object, but I create 2 objects occupying a greater amount of space. Integration is the act of summing infinitely many infinitely solved ones. Even in continuous space, repeated unity produces duality. Close your eyes and just imagine the problem I'm about to represent. Imagine a trolley heading towards one person on track A and one person on track B. If you save both, you didn't save one life. You saved 2 lives. Equality does not imply sameness. Although they are the same action and the same conclusion that came from the... So even if you use the trolley problem, or even by trying to fill space in your heart, it'll never change the fact that 1 plus 1 equals 2.